Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a comparison between ClickUp and Trello, two popular platforms for project management in 2024. First things first, click the link in the description box to access both platforms. So, let's jump right in. Let's start by looking at ClickUp. ClickUp offers a comprehensive suite of features tailored to diverse organizational needs. It stands out for its AI-powered productivity, viewing work options in different slides and customization options. You can easily integrate the tools, search files through your app or local drive, organize your work and events. Additionally, ClickUp offers a mobile app, providing users with the flexibility to manage projects on the go. In terms of pricing, ClickUp offers 4 monthly plans. First, the free plan offers 100 MB storage, unlimited tasks, and more. Second, Unlimited plan for $7 is best for small teams, offers free plan features with storage, integration, and more. Third, Business for $12 is best for mid-size. Teams offers everything in unlimited with Google SSO, custom exporting, and more. Last, Enterprise plan for custom price is best for large teams, offers everything in business and more advanced features. On the other hand, Trello is known for its simplicity and ease of use. It offers features such as cards, views, automation. Cards provide features such as due dates, attachments, and checklists. Views provide features like Trello board, timeline dates, and calendar. Automation provides features like rules for boards, move work, and integration features. In terms of pricing, Trello offers a free plan for individuals. The standard plan is priced at $5 for small teams. The premium plan for big teams is priced at $10, and the enterprise plan for organizations is priced at $17.5. In summary, both ClickUp and Trello offer powerful features for project management. ClickUp shines in its feature richness and customization abilities, making it suitable for larger teams or projects with complex workflows. However, if your team values simplicity, ease of use, and visual project management, Trello could be the ideal solution for your project management needs. That's all for today. Simply click the link in the description below to choose between these two platforms. Thank you for watching.